Want a searchable knowledge base from your PDFs? In 60 seconds, learn Dify. Start by opening Dify and creating a new knowledge base workspace. Click Import, then select the PDF files you want to include. Drag and drop multiple PDFs or browse files from your computer. Dify uploads each PDF and displays a clear progress bar for every file. Choose language, access controls, and indexing options before you begin indexing. Dify extracts text, headings, images, and metadata from each document automatically. It splits content into searchable chunks and generates embeddings for fast retrieval. After indexing, run a sample query to verify answer relevance and sources. See instant results with highlighted excerpts and direct links back to the PDF pages. Update or add PDFs anytime, and Dify re-indexes quickly, keeping results current. Now you have a reliable, searchable PDF-based knowledge base ready to use in Dify.